Ever since Elementor version 4 came out, some people have had a bit of an issue with sticky headers. It was really simple in version 3 or pre-version 4, but now if you apply sticky to a header template, it doesn't actually stick. Let me clarify the problem. Well, let me show you what you get in version 3, what you can do in version 4 with a normal Flex container, and why you have to think a little bit differently when you come to do the header template. So on this page at the moment, I have got a Flex container, and this would have worked whether it was on a page or a header template. You would go to motion effects and you'd make it be a sticky top, and it would stick to the top. And that worked for your Flex containers, even your old sections, and your header template. The difference is that does not now work with version 4. Again, let me remind you, if you had a Flex box on a normal page, okay, not a header template, if you go to position, and remember, we are in a version 4 Flex container where you have position. If you go and set that to be sticky, and that will work, that will stick to the top. But if you do it as a header template, and let me jump into this particular header, and you can see that for the position, I have set it to be sticky. I've even given a top of 0 margins. There's no gap from the margin. Z index of 888 or 999 or whatever you want to go for. As I scroll up and down the page, can you see it's not sticking? That's the header template at the top there. It is not sticking because we're very much customized to using the word sticky. What you need to do is this. There are 2 ways to do this, okay? The simple, easy way is to just go and change it from sticky to fixed. And now it is fixed at the top. Can you see that? It's fixed at the top. It's not going anywhere. And that's all you have to do. Now, there is another way you can make it be sticky or fixed to the top. So let's say you don't want to use anything like that. I'm going to leave it as sticky for now. We know that doesn't work, okay? But rather than you setting it as a fixed, what you could do, and remember, you must be in the header template, go over to where you have header settings. Please remember, I hope I've made it clear. If you do sticky or anything like that on a normal page container or an element, it will stick to the top. Just make sure you got a top margin of 0 and you've done your Z indexing. But it's the header template. You must set it fixed. Or what you could do is go over to where we have header settings, go to the advanced tab, and you could drop in this bit of CSS. So you're basically saying position sticky, top 0, Z index, 9999999, whatever you want to go for. So there's 2 ways. The simple way is just set it to fixed. The other way is just go and add in a bit of CSS. I hope that helps clarify the sticky header problem some people were having. Even I was a bit like, hang on, what do we do here? I knew we could use CSS, but it did bug me a bit like, why does sticky not work? You just got to change your way of thinking, and now you got the fixed option as well. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. Sign up for our YouTube channel. Check out our exclusive videos. Go over to my homepage and go and have a look at the free 15-minute audit that you can do for your website or your clients. Take care. See you soon. Bye.